Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, here locate accessibility features, and there's shortcuts and gestures. First option is AI voice, and if you choose to enable it you can wake your assistant by clicking and holding a power key for 1 second. And if in case you want to power off your device, then hold the button for 3 seconds. Next thing is ultra snapshot, and now we can choose to open camera or take a snapshot by double pressing the volume down button. And let's try it with snapshot. So we can press double time volume down button when our phone is locked, and it will take the instant snapshot. Next thing is record screen, and you can knock with your two knuckles onto the screen to begin screen recording. There's also take a screenshot, and here you can also use your knuckles. So first one is a normal screenshot, use one knuckle and knock on your phone twice. Next option is partial screenshot, and here you need to knock with your knuckle and make the enclosed drawing to take a partial screenshot. Next is a scroll shot, also knock with your knuckle and draw S. And if the page allows it, then you'll be able to make a scrollable full page screenshot. And the last option is 3-finger screenshot, so use 3 fingers and scroll them from top of the screen. And that also makes the screenshot. Now the next option is wake screen, and here if you enable it you can lock your device, then pick it up in a grip and it should wake up without pressing any button. And the last one is mute ringtone reduce volume, and if you flip your phone over like shown in this instruction, it will mute all incoming calls. Also you can raise your phone to reduce the ringtone volume of incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.